Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is lesson 20 where we discuss about the ancient myths, idioms. So without further ado, let's start the lesson. Fiddling while Rome burns. Fiddling while Rome burns. The expression has a double meaning. Not only did Nero play music while his people suffered, but he was an ineffectual leader in a time of crisis, to take little to no productive action during a crisis. I think it's high time to take prompt actions. This attitude, fiddle while Rome burns, will not gonna do any good to you. Rest on our laurels. Rest on our laurels. Be so satisfied with what one has already done or achieved that one makes no further effort. With TV sports coverage becoming increasingly competitive, the BBC should beware of resting on its laurels. Leave no stone unturned. Leave no stone unturned. Try every possible course of action in order to achieve something. To achieve where he has reached today, he left no stone unturned. See the writing on the wall. To be aware that something bad will probably happen soon. Example: no one told him he was going to be fired, but he could see the writing on the wall. The halcyon days. The halcyon days. Characterized by happiness, great success, and prosperity, golden, often used to describe an idyllic time in the past that is remembered as better than today. The halcyon days of youth classics illustrated have become pricey nostalgia items for those who grew up in the supposedly halcyon years after World War II. Turn the other cheek. Turn the other cheek means refrain from retaliating when one has been attacked or insulted. I know it's frustrating, but it's often best to turn the other cheek. Fighting won't solve the problem at all. Pyrrhic victory. Pyrrhic victory. A victory that comes at a great cost, perhaps making the ordeal to win not worth it. It relates to Pyrrhus, a king of Epirus, who defeated the Romans but lost many of his troops. I would rather stay away from this conflict which seems leading to Pyrrhic victory. Fall on his sword. Fall on his sword. To resign from one's position as a result of failure, wrongdoing, etc. Old-fashioned, to use one's sword to take one's own life. Her practices seemingly led her to fall on her sword so badly. Sadly. Parting shot. Parting shot, a final remark, typically a cutting one, made by someone at the moment of departure. As her parting shot, she told me never to phone her again. Epic proportions. Epic proportions. A disaster, a calamitous event, as one that is of a size or scope proportions that is great or extensive. The earthquake was responsible for a disaster of epic proportions. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.